In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a 3-ingredient rinse for attraction and beauty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss out on another video like this one. I do upload 3 times a week, and every single Friday is a free pick a card reading. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is make a rinse that is known to attract beauty and attraction. Basically, you're attracting and lifting your vibration, adding glamour and beauty to your energy, and just enhancing your natural beauty, allowing your natural beauty to come out, allowing your self-confidence to raise, and all of that stuff. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So I have the rinse right here. You need 3 ingredients. We're gonna get right into how you make it now. Okay, so for this ritual, you're going to need 3 things. The first thing you're going to need is red rose petals. They could be dried or they could be fresh. It's totally up to you. The next thing that you're gonna need is patchouli. I like to use dried patchouli, and I just use a little handful and I drop that into my mixture. And then what I like to do is just mix that up so everything is blended together. That's all I'm going to be using today. By the way, if you guys are interested in purchasing the blend that I make myself, I do sell it on my Etsy store, and I always have a rose quartz crystal with mine. So if you're interested in purchasing, go ahead, head to my Etsy store and you can find that over there. But the next thing that you're going to need, which is optional, is a rose quartz crystal. And you're going to just drop that into your bottle when you're done making the rinse. So you're going to need red roses, patchouli, and water. So let's go to our next step. The next thing you want to do is turn on your stove to high. And then what I'm doing here is, this is the bottle that I'm going to be keeping my rinse in. So I'm going to just pour out the water into the pot. I measured it in here so that I have just enough. And this is going to be a one-time use. So you can make a bunch and keep it in your fridge, or you can make one-time use like I do. And what I'm gonna do is wait for this water to boil. Once your water has reached a boil, what you're gonna do is throw in your herbs. Look how pretty that looks. I love that aesthetic of that. That is so pretty. But yeah, you're going to let this boil for about a minute or 2, and then you're gonna turn off the heat and cover it up. Okay, so now you notice that the water's turning a little bit brown. It's been about a minute or 2. I'm gonna turn the heat off. And before the steam can escape, you want to cover that up. And what I'm gonna do is let this sit until it cools down completely, and then I'm going to put it into my bottle. So we'll be right back. Okay, so when your mixture is all cooled down, then you want to strain it and put it in your bottle. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I actually have my bottle ready right here. It's just a plastic container I got from the dollar store, and that's what I'm gonna be storing it in. So I'm gonna use a strainer, and I'm going to just take that and strain it. And it smells so good, you guys. This is so heavenly. I can already feel the energy, the vibration, the scent. I love it. So I'm all done. Now this is ready to use. What I'm gonna do, it's still a little bit warm. It didn't cool down all the way, but what I'm gonna do is show you guys what to do next. Oh, another thing I'm going to do is add a rose quartz crystal in there. This is optional, but rose quartz is very, very powerful for healing, for beauty, for love, for attraction, for glamour. So what I'm gonna do is drop a rose quartz in there. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, you can do this outside or you could do this in the shower, but you're going to start pouring this from your head and let it run down all the way to your toes. So roses are known to carry a very, very high vibration. They're very, very powerful for lifting your vibration. So if you've been feeling like you have lower vibrations or that your energy is low, then red roses are a really good way to lift them back up. The smell of red roses is known to bring positive energy. What this does is also enhances your feminine energy, and it brings out your natural beauty. Another thing it does is it enhances your intuition. So it helps you live from your inner truth. It helps you live from a place where you're happy. Your happiness is what drives your life. And when you live in this way, you automatically become like this radiating light, and people are drawn to you. Opportunities are drawn to you. Love is drawn to you just because of you living from your own beauty, if that makes sense. Now, another thing this does is it's very connected with the goddess Aphrodite, which is the goddess of love and beauty. This is also very, very connected with the Egyptian goddess Isis, who is the goddess of love, beauty, magic, and wisdom. So red roses are very connected with these deities and these energies of such powerful love and beauty. Now, this also cleanses your aura. Red roses also revitalize your energy. When your energy is revitalized, you have this very unique kind of a glow. It's like your own unique glow comes out, and people and things and opportunities and good energy are drawn to you. You become a magnet for these things. This is also antibacterial. Red roses are antifungal, and they give you this glowing skin texture. And red roses are also very, very moisturizing. So not only energetically, this is helping you, spiritually, this is helping you, but it's also helping your skin at the same time. It calms and soothes not only your energy, your mind, but also your skin. And it's a natural skin toner, which means it helps to reduce pores, tightens pores, and it just helps your skin's natural suppleness come through. Now, the patchouli in here, patchouli is associated with love, beauty, attraction, and power. Patchouli is one of my favorite herbs to use, and the insane amount of energy that it carries to attract things to you, like, you guys have to try it. And patchouli also draws what you desire to you. It attracts love, it attracts glamour, beauty in a very, very powerful way. This also summons love energy. It arouses your senses, and it carries very high vibrations. Patchouli promotes self-confidence and gets rid of negative energy around your mind, your body, your spirit. And patchouli is also associated with the goddess Aphrodite. So that's very powerful right there. And it helps your spiritual side come out, and patchouli quiets your ego. When you can quiet your ego and have your spirituality come out more, your intuition come out more, you live from a place where you automatically naturally become beautiful to others. Like, people are very, very drawn to you when you live in this way, and these two herbs help you do that. This also helps to tighten your skin. Patchouli helps regenerate your skin cells. It's also very, very moisturizing, and it reduces the appearance of scars. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in purchasing my blend of patchouli and red rose petals, go ahead, head over to my Etsy store and let me know what else kind of rituals you guys want to see, what else kind of videos you guys want to see. Leave me comments, message me, and I'm listening to all of your requests. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very, very soon.